Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna go over on the Vicrez quad tips that I have installed on my vehicle. I'm just gonna go over on the procedure that I did. So in this video you can see that basically my OEM tips from the Challenger were cut off and then the Vicrez tips were gonna be welded on. Now for the Vicrez tips I did have to cut off a little bit. I think it was like about 2 inches or an inch, not sure, to double check, but here you can see that they were cut off and then from there they were spot welded. Then right here he's double checking on measurements, and at the end results you see is basically what you see on this video. I will include some pictures on how they look, as well as a nice little rev when he's backing out. Like I said, the finish that I got is what I liked and what I was looking for. Each one of you might be going a different route, but I did have to weld them on, cut my old tips, cut these tips a little bit to get the finish that I have. They stick out a good amount, which to be honest is perfectly fine with me. Each to their own. Each results could vary depending on which route you go. At the end of the day, I love them. The quality is amazing. The look just looks fantastic. If you have any more questions, just comment down below or hit me up on Instagram. Or you can also message Vicrez. Thanks, guys.